I am Dr. Kerry Wallace, Executive Director of the Tourism Enhancement Fund. I've been asked to describe what project that the TEF is doing that I'm most excited about. And that's in itself a very hard task. We're doing so many outstanding projects that it's just so difficult to pick one. But what comes to mind, I would say, is our Tourism Innovation Incubator project, primarily because I believe that it's one of the projects that provides an opportunity for all Jamaicans who have an innovation, who have an idea, who has an invention, anything that can better tourism, not just in Jamaica, but across the globe. And our facilitation of that Jamaican with that idea, with that concept, to go through a whole process of honing, doing the market research, doing the prototyping, doing the all the assessment and analysis to ensure that they have a much better chance of taking that idea from where it started to where it can be a commercially viable product. And in this day of dynamism on our planet and opportunities that we have thanks to technology, thanks to just all the changes that we're seeing, we believe that if we facilitate more and more Jamaicans moving in that direction of encountering a problem and not stopping there, but thinking through a solution that can be sustainable in terms of fixing that problem and solving that problem, then we can create billionaires in Jamaica, or surely create businesses, commercial operations that would have started from the ground and risen to enormous heights. And I think that's where we can create a lot of wealth in Jamaica, a lot of hope, a lot of opportunities, a lot of young persons realizing that, listen, the government, certainly the TEF and Ministry of Tourism in general, we are working hard to providing opportunities for our Jamaicans to rise to the top on a global level. And so that has me very excited.